Here we are. He is gonna show me. This is my official first day. This is just the training for now. So what we're gonna do is we have to do a pre-trip first. So this baby here is what we're gonna have to do. So pre-trip first, he is going to open the hood. So, but anyway, I'm not gonna video yet. That way I can focus on what he is telling me to do. You put the first one, not the middle? Okay. I thought you put the other one in the middle. Oh, okay. And then
unload it, but these guys are.
and then where are they gonna put it in?
They'll set the lid down. His brother will come and scoop it.
This is kind of cool, like how the kids play with their toy. It looks like a toy.
These are kids playing with their toys. That's why they're here. That's why we're all here, because we just come here and we play.
Oh, it's like a shredded.
Yeah, it's all Tony's.
Now there is some that is falling down the ground. Are they gonna have to come and like
Sometimes
pick it up so that
there's a lot, they'll come and pick it up in a different, put it in a different box, one box.
so those two would really works is because one will pick up the lid and. But how was the lid was secured in there though?
By the weight.
By the weight?
It's got lips on both. It's got lips on both sides, in the front and back, and the weight of it. The thing is, if you're hitting your brakes, it's going to go forward, not reverse.
Is that what you were doing it earlier,
Yeah.
or that was?
Yeah, I do that. Shove the box forward and put the pins in. It kind of keeps it from moving around as much. So in case you flip it, it's kind of stable in.
How did it pick it up like that?
She wouldn't do that. It's not.
Oh wow, that is really like pieces. And so the other crane have to wait till this crane is done so that he can put the lid back.
That was a lot of material for the weekend. That was all weekend work. That was Friday afternoon shift. Plus for the weekend they put in 1,200 pounds. They cleaned it out the same way last time. Cleaned it all around. tank right there. That's what they fuel. That's off-road diesel. That's what they use for the cranes and stuff. That's diesel. That's diesel. It doesn't have taxes on it. It's about 50 cents less a gallon. They put a dye in it so you can try to run it on the road and pull over it.
Now at work, how did they remove